don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 1, Cameroon 2. I'm joined by the Marginator.
Hey, Stivo.
Yeah.
I'm very disappointed. Yo, Stivo, I'm lost for words. Firstly, negero ko bona final. Ke rekile ticket, passport ready. Na negero ke finally. I don't know or no go ya Morocco go dirang.
Ticket va.
E gona.
Ai. Kai.
A ga tla le yona team.
O isietseng.
No, ke bona re ke tlo sweta and then ke isile go koloi.
Ikaredi.
Yeah. Ke tla bontsha yona.
Yeah.
So no ke senye tšhelete. So ke tshwantse ke Morocco no a tsebe go dirang ko ruta or go dirang
some passport.
Yes, the passport.
I'll go and fetch them.
Balate bo Majita.
Yeah. So Stivo, Cameroon
Yeah.
came to ruin us.
They came to ruin us.
Yes.
I love that part.
And number 2, Snow White should work for Land Rover because what defend?
He's a defender.
O tla itshwara next week.
No.
So
Nyamuz, I'm following.
I can see why Asanta Sibis. Number 1, why I'm line up him? Because for me, I feel like if maybe Natsere Wabana Williams is good on his feet.
Yes.
Afake Williams da, and then Afake Chaino go pali.
Sorry.
Nertabarel sharp. Or Abafake Bali to go pali.
Williams and Jay.
Williams in the chain.
Yeah.
Maybe we would have done a better game than what we've done. Because right now, that we were dominating a game. How do we lose a game we were dominating? How? Because we don't take our chances.
That's true.
And second half, we didn't even create those chances.
0.
So Steven, I'm very disappointed. I'm very bored. Ngebe re tlotse Zimbabwe re pshahla. Ra te buela mo ra relax ra focus mo Betway.
Yeah.
I'm sure Zimbabwe would have done a better job than us.
Last 16.
We were never meant to be in the last 16. No wonder, man, there was a lot of questionable things there. Because we were never meant to be here because we didn't play like we wanted to be there. We're not playing like a team that is going to the World Cup next year. Why Risa Sapi, fan? Yeah, why this year, yes. Why Risa Sapi? Nigeria, it's on our behalf, and then Renard pool or something. Rekabula Liga pool.
Snooker.
Yeah.
Machita.
Yeah, go boni Majita, like boni the way but Ramba to go on or no, stick about blind. Man. Sorry, another way it's Majita or no, man. No, there's pool table potential.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So
Foster.
there's nothing we can do. So let's focus on we can't wait for the league to open up and focus rest stadium. But in the interim, while we're watching other people play the AFCON, we can also maybe focus on other sports like tennis, basketball. You know, and as people you'd be good basketball analyst.
Basketball analyst?
Yo, go and check. Or golf.
Golf analyst?
Yeah. Zama Steve. Saras, Steve.
Just pause them.
Aye, so Twanela sports Steve. But otherwise, Steve, before but otherwise, let's acknowledge and take the loss. Snow White to register today. Simple.
Snow White.
Hugo Bruce.
Snow White.
Oh, sorry, get so what we want.
Just no pies.
Oh, I want. Ngaru snow.
It's white.
So why that man ga robala mo lo tla rona le chiscope kana ha ke meriri.
That was there.
Positivo. Hola.